Another important topic in the third unit is MSK, that is the minimum shift keying. Minimum shift keying, it is the MSK, is a special type of continuous space frequency shift keying. It is the CPFSK, where wherein the peak frequency deviation is equal to 1 by 4 the bit rate. In other words, MSK continuous phase MSK, phase FSK with a modulation index of 0.5. The modulation index is defined as KFSK is equal to 2 del F by RB, where del F is the peak RF frequency deviation and RB is the bit rate. MSK signal can be defined as summation I equal to 0 to n minus 1 and the M1 of t into P of something, that is the P of t into T into TB into cos 2 pi of C plus summation of I equal to 0 to n minus 1, that is M2 of t into P of something into sine 2 pi of C of t, where MI of t and M2 of t are the odd and even bits of the bipolar data streams. MSK waveform can be seen as a special type of continuous phase FSK, and above equation is rewritten as root of 2b TE divided by TB, EB divided by TB into cos of that function. The normalized power spectral density of MSK is given. Okay, that it is solved by this equation. This is the power spectral density of the MSK signal. From the above figure, it is seen that the MSK spectrum has lower side lobes than QPSK and OQPSK. Main lobe of MSK is wider than that of QPSK and OQPSK. MSK is less spectrally efficient than the phase shift keying technique. The MSK transformation in figure, multiplying a carrier signal with cos pi Vt by 2t produce two phase coherent signals at Fc plus 1 by 4t and Fc minus 1 by 4t. These two FSK signals are separated using two narrow bandpass filters and approximately combined to form the in phase and quadrature carrier components X of t and Y of t respectively. These carriers are multiplied with the odd and even bit streams Mi of t and M2 of t to produce the MSK modulated signal SMSKT. This is the MSK receiver, that the received signal of your SMSK is multiplied by the respective in phase and quadrature carriers X of t and Y of t. The output of the multipliers are integrated over 2 bit periods. Then it is given to a decision circuit which has a threshold detector. Based on the level of the signal above or below, the threshold detector decides whether the signal is 0 or 1. The next topic, very important topic, is a GMSK, that is the Gaussian minimum shifting key. It is the simple binary modulation scheme. It is a derivative of MSK. The side lobes level of the spectrum are further reduced by passing the modulation waveform through a pre-modulation Gaussian pulse shaping filter. Has excellent power and spectral efficiency due to constant envelope. GMSK pre-modulation filter has an impulse response given by the equation root of pi by alpha into exponential of 10. The transfer function is given by g of f equal to exponential of minus alpha square into f square. The parameter alpha is related to b and 3 dB baseband bandwidth of h g of s is, it is approximately equal to 0.5887 divided by b. That the power spectrum of compared with the both the MSK as well as the GMSK signal. In GMSK, that the bit error rate can be found AWGN channel, that the bit error probability is a function of BT, since the pulse shaping impacts interserum and ISI. Bit error probability of GMSK is approximately equal to P equal to Q into root of 2 gamma into EB by NR, where the gamma is a constant related to BT. So this is the GMSK modulator is shown in figure. The simplest way to generate GMSK signal is to pass a message bit stream through a Gaussian baseband filter followed by an FM detector. That the spectrum of LPF, that is the low pass filter, has Gaussian shade. And then this is the block diagram of the GMSK receiver shown in figure. The GMSK signal has been detected using orthogonal coherent detectors can be used as it's shown in figure. The input modulated signal is given to two mixer stages. An IF local oscillator is applied to generated signals that is given directly to a mixer 2 and shifted by 90°, then applied to a mixer 1 as shown figure above figure. The output signals are passed to two low-pass filters. The orthogonal coherent detectors are used to extract the GMSK modulated output signal. Appropriate clock recovery circuit is used in the demodulation process. Okay, thank you.